Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today is another day when I am going for duty. So this was not basically my duty day. I was going to help someone, and as I came to know that I would be able to go inside the mucormycosis OT, which I have not attended any time, so I was also excited to attend the same. It was a beautiful cloudy morning. It was very sleepy day. In my previous COVID duty day video, many of you asked to wear the PPE and show, and also you people ask about the usage of this micropore tape. So these micropore tapes do not come with the PPE, but when we go to take the PPE kit, we get it as extra, like along with the disposable gloves and the head cap and shoe cover. They also give us a micropore tape. So we use this micropore tape basically to seal off everything. We make sure there is no void or there is no gap through which the air can come inside. So many people, just before wearing the PPE, they just wear the mask and they seal off the surrounding of the mask with this micropore tape. So as you can see that I am not wearing the eyewear nowadays, the eyewear which come with the PPE, but you can see in my very first COVID duty video, I was first wearing my specs, over that the eyewear, and over that I used to wear the face shield, but that was causing extreme headache for me, so I decided to avoid the eyewear because I realized that my specs is quite enough to get that protective effect. So I use the micropore tape even more generously because I am not wearing the eyewear, so I seal off the surrounding of my specs even more generously with this micropore tapes. But you should also make sure that you are not wasting the micropore tape, because every day you get a new roll, but a full roll is not necessary for a single day, so you can use that same roll for the next day. If you are unable to keep it somewhere, at least give it back in the counter so that you don't be a part of a national waste. Wearing these stickers are very useful nowadays, otherwise it is very difficult to understand who is who inside the PPE.